Alright guys, today I'm going to show you my 3 favorite ways to use my GoPro. This is a Hero 7 Black, but these principles could be used for any GoPro. And the first thing, the one I really use the most is actually this one. And this is a regular GoPro housing that comes with the unit. You can see that with a windslayer type microphone wind killing shield over it. And then we've got the vlogging setup. It's a ulanzi housing with the GoPro mic adapter and the saramonic mic with the windscreen on that. It's just a little saramonic mic. And then finally the GoPro super suit. This is actually a generic Amazon super suit with the floaty handle, and that'll be used for all your wet locations and really underwater heavy weather type situations. So let me get it into the first one there. All right, so there's what the GoPro looks like with the windslayer around the housing. And you could clip it onto any handle you want, or onto your motorcycle helmet, or on your car. This is really awesome because all the mics around the GoPro are shielded, and it really kills the wind sound. It makes it essentially like you're holding a microphone with a camera on it rather than a camera with a good mic. I love this setup. I'll use this all the time. It's very discreet. It even covers all the GoPro LEDs, which I know you can turn off, but this makes it so discreet you can hold it and film people, they don't even know it, and you get great audio. Next, we'll check out the vlogging setup. That's the vlogging setup right there. The GoPro inside of the housing. Battery door is off. Got the GoPro mic adapter, and then plugged into the mic adapter, the saramonic mic right there. And you can see the handy selfie stick, and you can telescope that out. You can do some awesome videos or flip it this way and point it at people and get some great interviews. This is a really great setup. The ulanzi housing, GoPro mic adapter, and then a nice selfie stick, a tripod feet, really, really versatile vlogging and touring camera. And finally, if you head to the water park, or maybe you're out on the boat fishing, something like that, the floaty handle grip with the waterproof housing. Let me put the camera in there. And there it is, the waterproof setup. All sealed up tight inside the housing. Got the floaty grip, the rope on there. I also have one of those yellow floaty handles, which is pretty handy in case you actually think you might drop it and want to be able to find it a little bit easier. It's a bright yellow floaty grip. Those are everywhere out there in the GoPro kits, easy to find. These are my 3 favorite setups right here. Really can do almost anything with the GoPro using these 3 tools. So hopefully that's helpful. You have more fun with your GoPro. Please ask me questions, make comments, like, subscribe. That way I can help you out. You can help me out. Appreciate you watching. We'll talk to you soon.